join me in giving a huge congratulations to, they're going to have some walking to do again, Witherford Watson Mann for Appleby Blue Almshouse.
Appleby Blue sets an ambitious standard for social housing among older people. It shows the design, when infused with deep care, can respond to issues of loneliness and isolation that are becoming increasingly common. This project is a clarion call for better housing at a pivotal moment for society.
Wow. Thank you. I'll do some thank yous first, if I can hold this together. Thank you, first of all, to Southwark Council for being agile, for supporting and believing in this project. Brilliant. Thank you to an incredibly talented consultant team and to our contractors for your patience and skill and for giving up so many fees to see this one through. Thank you to everyone in our office, past and present, who poured so much of themselves into this project. Everyone I know on this shortlist what that is about. Thank you to Martin, Jude, Amy, Alison, all the team at United St Saviour's. Absolutely amazing. Yeah. I guess one of the biggest thank yous is to the residents who've put up with all this judging, in and out their apartments, giving interviews on the news. They've all become celebs. We chose different people every time. We didn't just want the same voices, and we got a consistent kind of message from everyone. They've taught us so much about collective living, about the form that care really takes when people are struggling. Appleby Blue is an idea about sustaining identity in later life, particularly in our changing cities, where acute isolation is increasing. It's about being visible, present in a connected way, as the foundation for building mutual recognition and support. We made an unapologetically urban building that sees older people as an integral part of the everyday life of the High Street and the community, young and old. So Appleby Blue is also about the belief in cities to support sociability and mutuality amongst all those who live and occupy them. We hope this project helps to showcase what we, as architects, working with ambitious and committed clients, can achieve, providing responses to current societal challenges. We have a severe housing shortage and we have huge demographic imbalances. We need to build communities, not deliver housing units. We need to build healthy, sociable environments, not rely on medicalised support. Appleby Blue is a model that demonstrates a holistic approach to making collective living that supports a good life in the heart of the city can be done for everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, Stirling Prize jurors. This really, really matters. This really matters because it sends a message that really good architecture can make such a huge difference to social housing in the inner cities for older people. I'm often asked, do our residents really care about where they're living, the quality of the design? Oh my goodness, do they? Last week, Your Royal Highness, you came to visit the Almshouse, and there were 20 residents there beaming with pride for living in this building. They're going to be so thrilled to think that they're living in a Stirling Prize award-winning home. I mean, how cool is that? So, thank you to the most amazing team, the residents, my trustees, my staff team have just been astonishing. The people who've helped us as a charity make sure this building actually is a building. Thank you massively, though, to our architects, Witherford Watson Mann. Helen doesn't get enough credit. Helen Lee there in the red dress. She's done so much of the work there. William down at the end there, William Mann, thank you so much for being there all the way through. But I try not to finish your sentences anymore, Stephen, and I'm sorry if I do. But I've got a friend for life in Stephen, and I'm going to give him a big hug now, but thank you so much.